Dear hearts, thank you for supporting our channel, giving a like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Hello everyone, here I am again, from my heart to your heart, with love, higher vibrations to share with you, my dear little Pepe, inner child. Thank you, little Pepe, I love you. My heart, my soul, and love in the process. Yes, go get your coffee, your tea, your water, doesn't matter, and having fun. Put your body comfortable, relax, and come with your eyes open. Contemplate that sharing. Yes. Today, I want to share with you guys the importance of the exercise of contemplation to transform our lives, to us have a better experience here in Mother Earth, with harmony, with peace, with health, with wealth, with abundance, with love. Yes, and put in a higher vibration our manifestations here in Mother Earth, to we really have a happy life, even when we are experiencing difficult moments, emotional difficult moments, or really happy moments. Yes, all in balance. So the importance of contemplation, what that means. When we meditate, when we go to exercise to do our meditation, what we do? Put our body in a comfortable position. Breathe deep and calmly. Feel our heart. Exhale. Yeah. And again. And then we close our eyes. Close our eyes. So, till we reach the higher state of meditation, the higher state, vibrational state, the better energy that we can vibrate in our body, emotions, mind, and connect us with our soul, the universe, the Mother Earth. We have to close our eyes, because when we are with our eyes open, a lot of time we lose our focus. We get distracted. We lose our attention in the balanced. We pay attention about a lot of distractions around us in the world outside. And then we block the connection, the flow of the good energy that starts to come when we get deeper in our meditation. I have to share with you guys, sometimes I have to put that block things that we use to sleep, I forgot the name, at more darker, so that I can calm my mind, that I can be able to get deeper in my meditation state and get more connected with the higher energies, higher vibrations, with my soul, and balance my mind, emotions, and body. When we are with our physical eyes open, it's hard to hold our higher vibrations. So I have to tell you, as more as we meditate day by day, we start to learn how to hold more that good vibrations. But still, when we are with our eyes open, a lot of times our level of vibrations goes down. Boom. From love to fear. When we are watching the news in TV or in the internet, wow, just to watch those informations by the images from the dramas, the violence, all the issues from that our society, global society, experience, our vibration goes down. What we have to learn with that? It's difficult to us being balanced when we are with our eyes open. So we have to close our eyes. I'm sharing videos with meditations that is based with the contemplation by images, and that image that I use in each meditations comes from the orientation, the canalization of my soul, my heart, my dear little Pepe, the Mother Nature, from the universe, to heal myself, to awakening myself, and as well share with all the humanity, with your heart. Those meditations are based in the contemplation, and the contemplation through the image of the flowers, of everything in the Mother Nature. So when we do that meditation, we work with our eyes open, we exercise with our eyes opened, we exercise to hold the higher level of vibration that we always can do only with our eyes closed. So the goal of that meditation is to us hold that higher vibration, that higher connection, that balanced with our eyes opened. Bring that level of love, that meditational state with our eyes open. And that's the reason in those meditations that I shared with you guys in our channel. That's the reason we start with our eyes closed, and then we are asked to open our eyes and just contemplate it. And what's that? Don't just contemplate it. Just feel, just look it with your eyes, physical eyes opened, through your heart. Put your heart in your eyes. What that means? Put your heart to guide your eyes open, to guide your contemplation, to guide what you look around you. And not your mind to guide what you look at around you. Not your ego to guide your eyes what you look at. Because when your heart guides your eyes to look at all the world around you, we are able to hold the higher vibration, the love vibration. What that means? No judgment, compassion, peace, harmony, all the life goes flowing. We can just look at what's happened around us even if they are not good, in a really low vibration situation that we know is happening in our planet, but we start to learn, to look, to see, to interact with those low level vibration situations in the world outside of us from the heart perspective, with our balanced, avoid angry, avoid feeling sad, avoid all those low vibration emotions, but really helping those situations when you look at, when you contemplate that situation, sending love, just sending love. We are going to be able to look everybody around us as a mortal being, as a heart, as well as we are, and not as only one body, physical body, emotional, mental. No, we are going to learn to see that person in the reality is a mortal being, is a heart. But in that moment, that person is experience low vibrations or is experience higher vibrations. In that moment, they are not to awaken, more sleep state as a conscious, and others is experience a more awakening state of the conscious. We are going to perceive that as a different levels of vibrations by graduations. We are going to perceive that in the reality there is not wrong or right, left or right, male or female. Everything is one kind of, one level of state of energy. And then we are going to acknowledge how important and really helpful is, instead to get angry with some injustice that we are look at with our eyes open, we finally are going to recognize with our eyes open, oh, okay, it's the moment. I'm going to send love. I'm not going to judge. If I can't help you now, I'm going to be a little bit quiet, but I'm going to send love energy, really from my heart. And this is going to help shift, really transmute that injustice situation in a peaceful, better situation, love situation. You are going to transmute violence in peace. So imagine when we learn as much as we can to contemplate, to interact, to see the world around us from the heart perspective, with our eyes open, holding the higher vibration, holding the meditation, the state of meditation, the higher vibration, with our eyes opened, and not only when we are with our eyes closed. Can you imagine how we can manifest in a much higher quality of experience of our life here in Mother Earth. That's amazing. So go, guys, try to exercise. Go try to do the meditation that can bring to you healing, awakening, a better life through the contemplation of the images. Go there, share with me what you felt. Thank you so much. From my heart to your heart, with my eyes open, sending love, love, love for your heart, dear beings. Bye.